Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today I'm going to do a review of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. And if you're looking for an affordable Ultra smartphone for 2022, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is probably the best option for you. This is because this phone has one of the best features in an Ultra phone, but it is also affordable. But the question is, does this Xiaomi 12S Ultra has what it takes to be the best 2022 Ultra phone? So in this review we'll be talking about the features that makes the smartphone a good Ultra phone to buy. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra has 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a display resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels. The display has support for the 120Hz of refresh rate, the Dolby Vision HDR 10+, and has peak brightness of 1500 nits. The display is not just fast and smooth but also auto refresh between 1Hz and 120Hz to save battery when the phone is idle. The display is very colorful and is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus. On the front, the phone has a punch hole design and a curved screen on both sides, while on the back, the phone has a big circular camera module. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra is made up of the glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, equal at the back, and aluminum frame. It is water and dust proof, which makes it a very durable device. The rear panel has this matte finish that retains very less fingerprint and feels very comfortable to hold. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra has a very beautiful design, fast and smooth display, and is made of the durable materials, and is arguably one of the best looking phones of 2022. But more impressive is the performance of the phone, and that's what we will be focusing on next in the Xiaomi 12S Ultra review. The chipset inside the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This new chip is built on the TSMC new 4nm process technology. The chipset has 4 power cores and 4 efficient cores. The Cortex X2 core has a speed of 3.19 GHz and the 4 Cortex A510 efficiency cores have a speed of 1.8 GHz. This Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip is not just a fact but also has a good heat management. That is why the Xiaomi 12S Ultra has optimal performance for a long period of time. The phone does not get hot and the heavy use and performance is consistent for a very long period of time. According to the Xiaomi website, or we can say according to the Xiaomi brand, the CPU performance of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is about 10% better than those of the phones using the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, which the S22 Ultra has most probably. While the GPU performance of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is about 20% than those of the competition. To be fair, the difference in performance is not that much, but the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is very good and really good when it comes to the heat management. While playing the games, it does not drop frame rates very often and it can be run consistently for a long period of times. Photography and video are important parts of owning a smartphone, and the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is no doubt a camera phone. Xiaomi partnered with the LEICA to enhance the photo and video quality of the Xiaomi 12S Ultras. The camera setup of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is 15.3 megapixel primary camera that has a multi-directional PDAF, laser AF and OIS features. This camera is supported by the 48 megapixel periscope lens that has PDAF and OIS features and can do 5 times optical zoom. And then there is a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera and a TOF 3D cameras for depth sensors to complete the quad direct cameras. On the front you get 32 megapixel front cameras, obviously for selfies. The front camera can only shoot videos in 1080 pixels resolution, but the rear camera can shoot videos in 8K resolution. The photo and video features available include the LEICA lenses, dual LED flash, HDR, panorama gyro, EIS, and Dolby Vision, and HDR 10-bit record 4K 1080 pixel. That means one impressive camera feature in this phone is that the multi-cam camera mode, which allows you to see 6 different camera views at once, is that the feature. For those who don't know, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is one of the very few phones that uses 1-inch type camera sensors, and it's also the first phone to feature the new Sony IMX 989 camera sensors. The photo and video quality on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra are great, and even cropping in on images also retains details. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra also features Hyper OIS features which give it insane stability when shooting videos and taking night shots, and you also get a clear and colorful images and videos. As an ultra phone, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra really has a complete camera setup for users. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra comes with the 8GB of RAM or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The base variant and 512GB is also there. Two options are there, but it has no space for storage expansion via a micro SD card slot and has no 3.5mm headphone jack port. As for the software, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra boots the MIUI 13 based on the Android 12 out of the box. The Xiaomi has promised 3 years of major software updates and 4 years of security patches. You can download and install software from the Google Play Store on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Xiaomi 12S Ultra is powered by the 4800 mAh battery capacity, which supports the 67-volt wired and wireless fast charging and 50 watts wireless fast charging and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. And you get when it's fully charged, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra can last you for 7 hours under the heavy use and 24 hours for light users. With the fast charging, you can also you use it up to like battery in no time. You can charge a phone from 0 to 50% in about 18 minutes and 0 to 100 minutes 100% in about 40 minutes, and not 36 minutes by doubling. No, using the 67 watt of wired fast charging. Actually, the starting price of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is rupees $1,199 for the base variant, and which is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The model with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage are priced $1,299 and $1,399 respectively. Just $100 different. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and turn on the notification for supporting our channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Sion. This is TechWall. I will catch you in the next one.